How to create a TradingView account. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process. Just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, download and install TradingView app from Google Play Store or from an app store. If you are using an iOS, once installed, open that app. Then tap on these three lines here in the bottom right corner. Press Sign In. Type on Sign Up at the bottom. Then press Email and you will head to this page. Here, type your username, email address, password, and press on Create Account. Solve this CAPTCHA. Then open your Gmail app and TradingView has sent you an activation code. Tap on Activate Now. Again, go to TradingView app, sign in your account. And our TradingView account has been created successfully. And that's it, guys. Found helpful? Make sure to leave a like and do subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.